fear of life no oma famuasi ebini general said winketia I respect me a lot.
Abuja from Bawumia Nyamek3se3 at the Ghana and NDC TV so but this will be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say next time videos of this nature eba also sabit my cabin so watch your comment section ho maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo also TikTok or comment section ho by be whom be from Mr. President Amejo also ko yin na dream say that be ano the meeting the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we die the need to Sudan say man we need that be na the be ameka asem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra momi enko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
Fear of life no oma famuasi ebini general said winketia I respect me a lot but let me tell you something obi obeka kira wo say e said winketia ebetimi abiti Dr. Bawumia Nyame3se3 me nam ka kira NDC for no munim NDC, they say most of the NDC people that we talk to, they are aware. But how to block it is the problem. I'm repeating this. Me say, Obia Nadrian said, General Sebin Ketia, ebe da ballot paper so, Dr. Bawumia be da ballot paper so. Obeti me beat Dr. Bawumia in 2028, and you know credit. Me na me catch him.
Kesben 92.9, that biaxi.
Because his way to the top. His way to the top. What Titi Nipa be Brenaso was stepping a lot of foot. And what Yababe do top. No man you careful and manage this issue here. The NDC fracas the feud within the NDC, the instability hit NDC better NPP for them. Oh, that's Mama Kamakit on the wall.
Kesben 92.9.
Say General said we can tell with ya. Cracks a baba NDC muno. The sabotage a baba NDC muno. A baya kesia sine. NPP for sabotage or more experiencing in 2024. Because was tapping a lot of foot. Because listen, what the man went to Tamale to do? I was sparking this controversy. NDC ni biantiasi. What tiasi pa now support General. That's fine. And your problem. Jamaican what I say. But say, you talk to people, they don't understand why an old rules. As a so-called rekid and old rules. Nasa kobri kroneni ekofa discussion at the back. And he has a lot of explanation to explain to the NDC people why he took that steps. Step to remove Haruna Idris. Then you went to his constituency to announce it and justify why you took Haruna off. One card the quotia we Haruna video because at the quotia me bo Haruna Idris. Haruna is also contesting. Haruna no bia sabe prebiasa tebia say Samson Ahimi o motom ba bia on do medi me MPU that you bet be majority leader and you no ho asem na eka. Haruna be contesting. Then you want to somebody that you want to contest.
So na da no. Simu de bia ye kan ho asem. Oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e di chere Ghana for say me ba we ni we na me yama mo na. Abusia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders KBA the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impo yenwie because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and person is yentime because of time. But those ones yetimi we go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right too. But because of political tantrums and political gains, me look say yeah, hospitals and they go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan you say na no me nyina be ya. It is a scan kan kaya de wasa botumi we say oh, I mean say we say people for ya comfort. Name ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what the hospitals na mo so mo ya comfort. A comfort ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya comfort. You say anya Ghana for debut. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem keke mu kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum na enko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntum we asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nkoma no ntum na enko nyina ho. Chief imam for no nkoma no ntum na enko nyina ho. Politicians ni nkoma no ntum na enko nyina ho. Market women omo nkoma no ntum na enko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntum na enko nyina ho. 2020 Jua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open nkete. Nanze bibi ni na nkasa de sebi ye bibi ya nkete ya adwen nkete ye bibi ye bia invest square ye nkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. And here same crying. Obi ma credit scoring system also open nkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most open nkete. Is any one. You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Na ne yete ne nyina ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me. Me na wo ne wo sia kire me sabi me na me ko ka kire Rajon Dramani ma so o mema was come to boot wa. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo se dabi. Digitalization en to kinki. Nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade da mo kam. Ye wo ko mo ya. E de Rajon Dramani ma ko gina fese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mo hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay ne beto aba na ma bum mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi ambusu a chame na dai ukukuma say yokomu a ye ma ami kuma se dwomfo se MPP anya hwe ama wo mo nti omo nkoto aba omo so ebeko tro de omo beto ama NDC pa de no mo nto aba ne kra omo anto aba ene ebitina ABC nti ne free senior high school aye basa ade tina me na mo so kire me saka mo to ya ka things would have been better. Nti ene no zi an obi esu obi people obi ankoto freestyle people ani musu because season when they gamu boot for boot usu a ye besu a che o sere be sere a che we are not going to console anybody obi antram say ye pe na yenya ye ho fina plain se tete hwe amokekam abusu ya me de besi ya na da hofre be sensia abusu se
sphere of life no oma famuasi ebi ni general said winketia. I respect me a lot, but let me tell you something. Obi obeka kira wo say e said winketia ebetimi abiti Dr. Bawumia Nyamek3se3 me nam ka kira NDC for no munim. NDC, they say most of the NDC people that we talk to, they are aware, but how to block it is the problem. I'm repeating this. Me say obi anadwe ne say general say bi nketia e be da ballot paper so ne Dr. Bawumia be da ballot paper so a obetimi abiti Dr. Bawumia 2028 enye no kreda me na me ka kire.
Kesben 92.9 the biache
Because his way to the top. What teacher nipa be brenaso was step a lot of foot. And what yaba be do top. No man you careful and manage this issue here. The NDC fracas ebeban. The feud within the NDC. The instability hit NDC better NPP for them. Oh, that's mama can mark it on the wall.
Kesben 92.9
Say general said we can tell with ya. Cracks ebeba NDC muno. The sabotage ebeba NDC muno. Ebeye kesia sine NPP for sabotage omo experiencing in 2024. Because was step a lot of foot. Because listen, what the man went to Tamale to do? I was sparking this controversy. NDC ni biantiasi. What tiasi pa now support general. That's fine. And your problem. Jamaica what I say. But say you talk to people, they don't understand why an old rules. As a so-called rekid and old rules. Nasa kobri kroneni ekofa discussion at the back. And he has a lot of explanation to explain to the NDC people why he took that steps. Step to remove Haruna Dus. Then you went to his constituency to announce it and justify why you took Haruna off. One card the criteria we Haruna video because at the criteria me bo Haruna this say Haruna is also contesting. Haruna no bia sabe prebiasa.
Say dey ko ye kwa dey menu now to me who letter be a yoko for tro ye about Council of State member Bota region. Na me say films Remona Chapa ya happen say where ye can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okwa any letter now was say Council of State member no ye former staff Emanam 1 which is never true.
Onya juma order. And Onya juma order.
Nam 1 for the first time Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you say dependent boy.
Or sister asem no. Listen for the first time. Nam 1 and kwa pe baby akwakoda and then Nam 1. Yes. Not just say was in ukra during say state institution we intelligence institution. Who need intel?
Ayeka, bro.
Problem ni nyina say.
Economy no kwa na eboa.
Problem ni nyina say. Papa or Council of State member or company to good a year before grab good board bebano no to me crata good board alliances no to me to good to me to good me good kwa manane ano ne adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4-5 months.